Hi guys, this is Arif. So today I was thinking to give you a demo about my CommerceLite commerce engine. So I implemented this small storefront. So it's basically a very simple thing, but yeah, it's enough to give you a demo about the CommerceLite. So you can see here, I also showed you before, but this time you can actually go into end. So for example, if you add the product to your cart, then you can see this product is being added already there. Then let me just add 3 different products. So you can go here in the cart page. I also added some sort of styling on the side so that it looks a bit better. So you can increase and decrease from here, and here you can see so this one. So there are something we need to improve because the sorting is happening based on something, but yeah, just forget about that. You can actually remove if you want. I'm not going to do that right now. So if you now go to shipping and billing, then you can see this little styling came into place. Then you can see actually the shipping and billing address. So I have already added a little bit nice thing here, so you can put it there. Then your email address, so all the validation is already there, so should not be a problem. Now, and this right side there is a little summary as well. So if you go to checkout, then this is the page where you can check out, and then you can see here the card number and everything is here. So I am using Braintree. I also showed you before, so you can use one of them. So this sample card, so this is the CPV, and then this is postcode, whatever, you can put it here. And then once you press that button, then you can see here the order has been created, and it has some little information like the order number. So you can see here the order number is 8137, and this is the little information about your address and email address. So let me now explore this order. So the order is 8137. So if you go to MongoDB, so I am using MongoDB. You would have known about this one, but if not, then you can see here. So let me go to this last, and okay, let me see first 8137. So this is the entity. Let me check the order ID here as well. So you can see here, this is the order number. So it is that 8137. So that's the one actually. So let me explore this order a bit and see. So here you can see this order object is quite big. So it has the line information, and you can see the different line along with the line component, where it has all the information encapsulated, like product number, price, and everything that we need to know in different stages of the application. Then we have the component. This is the cart component object, where you can see all the detailed information about the delivery, fulfillment, how many of them are delivery. Right now I have only delivery, so pickup fulfillment option will be added later on, but yeah, this is not a problem. And then you can see here it has the cart shipping address component and billing address component as well. Then you can see the order number component, where you will see the order number. Then it has the payment gateway component, where all the payment related information is encapsulated. So you can see here the transaction key, payment total, and gateway information. This is Braintree and everything. So I'm going to validate the transaction key now. So let me copy this key, and yeah, so it has also other information like the confirm order component, where you actually did the transaction, which time. So this kind of information is encapsulated here, and also the payment instrument type and everything, and the status settling. So if you now copy and go here, and let me show you guys the search, and then you'll see. Okay, so the very first one I believe is that one. Yes, so it has 185 transaction and status is settling. So if I validate the total amount, then you can see the 185. So this is completely reflecting with the transaction, and this is the order entity. Now you can actually grab this order entity, and you can further process, like if you want to send this order to any third party API or any API where it will be fulfilled, you can do that easily. So that's the end-to-end journey of my commerce engine. So I have used commerce engine. So you can start over, then definitely there won't be any card. So card would be empty completely. So that is also working as expected. And in terms of the commerce engine, um, I'm gonna show you something about this commerce engine. So I already told you before, this is a React based application. Sorry, this is a Node.js based application. So in the Node.js, I have endpoints, all of the endpoints here, and in terms of the organization I did for the commerce engine, I need to explain the full details and how you are going to extend if you want to. So that will be a different brief video I am going to share in my YouTube channel. But yeah, if you are interested, then you can actually send me a mail, or in the comment you can actually comment me, then I can actually send you the code and everything if you want. But I need to improve a other bit. I mean, yeah, definitely it has some other thing I need to consider so that it would be kind of fully functional. Right now it is functional, but yeah, again, I mean, I need to improve. I need to add some other information so that it works like a very stable way. So that I'll do, but till now that's the little information I want to share, and I wanted to share, and hope you like it. And yeah, when I will be explaining all the details, then probably you will also be liking that one as well. So hopefully that's the little information I wanted to share, and that's all. So I'll let you know later in my next video.